are amazing. The competition really is, like, I will tell you, it's the best in the whole 4 years. You learn to understand and interpret those needs or those requirements that are going to make your product successful.
After having the conversation with Robin, we're definitely going to take the next step and make sure our project goes above and beyond.
We're going to make a list of questions, see what we would like to improve upon based on what their recommendations are, and we'll ask them a mentor.
When you go in to make these presentations today, you're either going to be a thermostat or a thermometer. Be the thermostat. Set the temperature in the room. Make that a positive attitude.
Just know that you have it within you and really work with those mentors. This is your time to shine, and let's go for it, guys. Thank you very much.